Hello and welcome to Going Green for Green, the show that takes you inside the business of the environment.
Another plastic bag is full. We throw it into the nearest landfill. It's out of sight and out of mind. What is the state of our humankind? And I don't know what to say, 'cause we produce more every day, and we call it garbage. Garbage, 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 garbage. Oh, that stuff that we throw away piles up on us every day.
Today in Going Green for Green, we're looking at organics, your green bin food waste, and how we can make organic energy from your food waste. This is Going Green for Green. Stay tuned.
Garbage. Oh, that stuff that we throw away.
For all your environmental solutions, Hazmat Management and Solid Waste and Recycling magazines, the Canadian publications that supply industry and municipal managers with all the environmental information necessary to stay on top of this rapidly evolving industry.
I'm standing here at the Commissioner Street transfer station where a huge pile of leaf and yard waste is in the background. And you know, one of the things we're trying to do here at Going Green for Green is change the mindset to where you once saw waste, you now see a resource. And over the last 20 years, certainly we've valued, and many years before that, we've always valued leaf and yard waste for its ability to be composted and turned into high energy efficiency fertilizer. So, you know, this is just one thing that we're going to be looking at, but overall what Going Green for Green is about is trying to change your mindset when you look at waste and see it as a resource, whether that be plastics, organics, or anything else in our waste stream. We have to find alternative uses and ways to reuse what's already been made and placed on this planet before we take any more out of the earth. This is Going Green for Green. Here in the City of Toronto, Mayor Miller and his City Council have undertaken amazing steps to try to achieve 70% diversion from landfill. We will be the only city in the world to do so. And Mayor Miller has cleared his schedule to try and make some time for Going Green for Green, because he is a firm believer in the new economy and the businesses that are spinning out of the green movement.
You know, I support what Bobby Kennedy said, which is what's bad for the environment is waste, what's bad for the economy is waste. When you get rid of waste, you have economic growth, and it's also good for the environment. And we see so much at Toronto City Hall of what can be done to create jobs, create efficiency, save energy, fight climate change, from simple things like retrofitting buildings to lower energy to very complex but important things like our methane recapture at both our landfills and through our green bin program, which collects wet waste and composts it. Extraordinary opportunities to create jobs, wealth, save money on city operations, and do the right thing at the same time.
Now, we did notice that the torch was burning. Is there plans in the near future to put a cogen on that?
Yeah, we're intending to recapture the methane when we have sufficient quantities. You need a certain amount to run a plant. So what we're going to do at the Disco station when volumes are sufficient is tap the methane, create electricity through it, and we'll use about, there'll be about 25 million tons, equivalent to about 25 million kilowatt hours. Right. And we'll use about 6.5 to run the plant, and another 18 or so will generate electricity. That's equivalent to about the electricity consumed by 2,000 homes. So what we're doing is we're taking people's, what used to go to landfill, you know, the wet waste, the food waste, we're composting it, turning it into methane, using it to generate electricity, which more than offsets the amount of energy used to run the plant. So it saves us money, it saves the environment, saves our landfill, and it's a clean, efficient source of energy.
Is there any thoughts in the City of Toronto to build multiple facilities and perhaps bring in organics from surrounding regions?
Well, we're going to build 2 facilities, and one of them certainly would be capable of bringing in organics. We're really the leader, I think, in the world on our green bin program. It started in 2003, and it's ramping up. As you know, we've been very successful in single-family homes. Now we're going to apartment buildings and trying to do the same thing.
Right.
And so we right now, I think we have about 125,000 tons of material that's composted. That's going to ramp up considerably. That's why we need the new facilities. But I think other municipalities, as they get on board, are going to be looking for places to make sure they're doing the right thing as well.
Stay tuned. When we come back, Randy Clough is going to take us through the Downsview Organics waste processing plant that can take your green bin and turn it into renewable energy. This is Going Green for Green. Standing here today out front of the Downsview Organics processing facility, Randy Clough, a representative of Canada Compost Inc., is going to be taking us around the facility here in Downsview and explaining how the process works and really what differentiates the BTA process from other composters and organic processors in North America. This is the only facility of its kind. It's been operating since the fall of 2002, and it currently processes a massive amount of organics. We're going to find out more. Stay tuned, folks. This is Going Green for Green.